Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. I stayed home today. I haven't left out my home, and I don't plan on doing that. My husband wanted pancakes, so I'm making him these Power Pack protein pancakes. But I did talk him into making waffles instead. And so it just calls for 1 cup of the waffle mix and 1 cup of cold water. You can substitute the water with milk if you like, but I would only use water because a girl is trying to slim it down, okay? So easy peasy, fill it up. I could have put a little bit more in there, but I don't like stuff spilling over the edges. It irritates me, girl. Yes, it does. Anyway, flip it. We're going to wait for that green light to come on. Yes, and then we'll be ready to plate and eat. I took the blackberries that he brought home and I just reduced them down. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla, teensy bit of water, and it reduced it very well. And so yes, I am using maple syrup and those blackberries. Yes, because that's what I want. And I'm going to eat it. And just so you guys know, it was delicious. Now my husband wanted some whipped cream. And guys, when y'all see how he put this whipped cream on here, look how he did the whipped cream. There's no pattern. There's no rhyme or reason. He said, girl, I'm ready to eat. So we did. I topped him off a little bit more. And we're going to sit down and enjoy our breakfast. Guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. And I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye.